How to make a bootable pen drive or how to create a bootable pen drive using your computer. Many of my subscribers are asking me to make a video to make a bootable pen drive. So that's why I'm making a video to create a bootable pen drive. So after watching this video, you will learn to create a bootable pen drive, and you don't have to watch any video to make a bootable pen drive after watching this video. That's why you have to watch this video until the last to make a bootable pen drive in free of cost. So if you are also trying to create a bootable pen drive, then you have to watch this video until the last. Otherwise you will not be able to create a bootable pen drive. So that's why please watch until the last. Hello everyone, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. It's me, Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And which part did you like from the entire video? Tell me in the comment sections. And without any late, let's begin our tutorial. There are different kind of softwares available to create a bootable pen drive, but in this video I'm going to use one of the best software to create a bootable pen drive. You can create a bootable pen drive using your command prompt also, but it's a little bit hard. That's why I'm recommending this software to create a bootable pen drive. So guys, welcome back to in my computer screen. In this video you will learn to make a bootable pen drive. So first of all, make sure you have already included or already inserted your USB drive inside your computer like this. So for this one you need a software that is called Rufus. There are lots tips and tricks to make a bootable USB pen drives, but in this time I'm using the Rufus 3.6. so after downloading this software you have to open this one, but before this one I'm giving you a download link in the video description. You can check that link also to download this Rufus software. After this you have to just click here and right click inside the Rufus 3.6 to make a bootable USB pen drive, and just click in the run as administrator and click in the yes. Now your Rufus software will be open, and after this now you can see here but before this one I'm going to tell you one important thing. Just you need three things. Okay, the first thing is the Rufus software. So I'm just going to type this one in the first one is Rufus software, and the second one is the USB pen drive. Okay, and the third one is you need image disk of operating system. If you are trying to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 7, then in that case you need image disk of Windows 7, or if you are making a bootable pen drive of Windows 10, then in that case you need image disk of Windows 10. But in this time I'm making a bootable pen drive of Windows 10. So after this now you can see here it's showing me the drive. In this time I'm using a pen drive and it's telling me that boot selection. After this just click in the select to make a bootable pen drive, and after this now you can see here it is a few image disks available for me. So now you can see here I'm just using this one Windows 10 64-bit. so after this I'm just clicking here, or I'm just going to make the Windows 7 professional in this video. Okay, after this just click in the open, but remember one thing, there is no support in the Windows 7. And after this now you can see here there is a partition scheme. So if you are using a MBR, now there is only one system, that is BIOS or UEFI system. I think
for the Windows 7, it will support only in the BIOS or UEFI or CSM system. But if I choose this Windows 10 system, I think it will support the two partition scheme. So you can choose the image standard Windows installation or Windows to go, but it depends. But in this time I prefer to use the standard Windows installation. And for the partition scheme, just you have to choose MBR for the BIOS or UEFI CSM, and you can choose the GPT, which is for the UEFI or non CSM system. Okay, and after this just you have to give a volume label, which means the pen drive name, but in this time I'm just giving the Windows 10 nucleus. Okay, after this you can choose the two options. You can format this one using the FAT32 or you can use the NTFS, but in this time I'm going to format this one using the NTFS. So after this just you have to click in the start. Okay, and it's giving me a warning. All data on device nucleus F8GB will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. So in this time I'm just clicking the OK to make a bootable pen drive. So it's deleting all the partition and it will take little bit time. So it's cleaning the MBR, PBR, and it's formatting using the NTFS file system. Okay, so now you can see here it's formatting. So after this it's creating the file system tasks 11 to 12 completed. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Yeah, now we can see here it's start to boot my all the necessary files here. So if I click here in this site, it will take little bit time to make a bootable pen drive. So you can also make a bootable pen drive using this software. It's too much easy. So now you can see here it's already completed. So you can also make a bootable USB pen drive like this.
Hoping that you learn to create a bootable pen drive after watching this video. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. And if you get some quality content or if you get some knowledge from this video, please give me a like. It will give me some motivation to make more content on this YouTube channel. There are lots tips and tricks to create a bootable pen drive. So if you learn something or if you learn to create a bootable pen drive after watching this video, tell me in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video to solve your problem. And share this video to among the people who are trying to create a bootable pen drive. And if you get some quality content or if you learn something from this video, please give me a like. Also, it will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.